New days, new hacks. So today I would like to show you how to add picture on a video through Capcut application. So first thing you need to do is just the same, click the new project and choose which video you want to have and click add. And now in our project we already have a video that we want to. And then if you want to have a picture on this video, just simply click plus button over here, click the photos section and choose which picture that you want to have in this video. After you already have it, click add, and now the picture is already on the video. Don't forget to adjusting the length of the picture. If you already get it, don't forget to remove the watermark. And let's have some test. And done, your picture is already included in the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.